Memory loss. 7 tips to improve your memory. Try these simple ways to improve your memory. Can't find your car keys? Forget your grocery list? Can't remember the name of the personal trainer you liked at the gym? You are not alone. Everyone forgets things once in a while. Still, memory loss is nothing to take lightly. Although there are no guarantees when it comes to preventing memory loss or dementia. Some activities might help. Consider 7 simple ways to sharpen your memory and know when to get help for memory loss. First, be physically active every day. Physical activity raises blood flow to the whole body, including the brain. This might help keep your memory sharp. For most healthy adults, the Department of Health and Human Services recommends at least 150 minutes a week of moderate aerobic activity such as brisk walking or 75 minutes a week of vigorous aerobic activity such as jogging. It's best if this activity is spread throughout the week. If you don't have time for full workout, try a few 10-minute walks throughout the day. Second, stay mentally active. Just as physical activity keeps your body in shape, activities that engage your mind help keep your brain in shape, and those activities might help prevent some memory loss. Do crossword puzzles, read, play games, learn to play a musical instrument, try a new hobby, volunteer at a local school or with a community group. Third one is spend time with others. Social interactions help ward off depression and stress. Both of those can contribute to memory loss. Look for opportunities to get together with loved ones, friends, and other people, especially if you live alone. Fourth one is stay organized. You are more likely to forget things if your home is cluttered or your notes disarray. Keep track of tasks, appointments, and other events in a notebook, calendar, or electronic planner. You might even repeat each entry out loud as you write it down to help keep it in your memory. Keep to-do list up to date. Check off items you have finished. Keep your wallet, keys, glasses, and other essential items in a set place in your home so they are easy to find. Limit distractions. Don't do too many things at once. If you focus on the information that you are trying to remember, you are more likely to recall it later. It also might help to connect what you are trying to remember to a favorite song or a familiar saying or idea. Fifth one is sleep well. Not getting enough sleep has been linked to memory loss. So has restless sleep and sleep that gets disturbed often. Make getting enough healthy sleep a priority. Adults should sleep 7 to 9 hours a night on a regular basis. If snoring disrupts sleep, make an appointment to see your healthcare provider. Snoring could be a sign of a sleep disorder, such as sleep apnea.